Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. It is Easter Sunday and I'm just getting home from church. We're about to eat lunch at my mother's house, and it's also my birthday weekend, so we are celebrating my birthday and Easter all together. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Easter and a blessed year so far. It's totally different than last year. We're actually able to all get together. Everyone's vaccinated. Whoa, who would have ever thought that happened? But I'm about to go eat dinner and I'll show you everything we're going to eat for my birthday. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so and leave a comment and like if you feel free to do so. Look at Colton. Oh my goodness. Look at this little man out here on his car. Oh, look at that little car. Lord, he is too cute. Oh my goodness. Hey! Hey, little man! Lord, he is too cute, y'all. This is my mom. Look at the Bitsy. Thank you. Chicken livers. What? I had 2 chicken livers. Oh, man. Super hot. Already had a warning for it.
Yes, might hit Tuesday evening and just
immediately.
35
finally.
Oh,
come on, so good. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, this is my birthday cake my sister made.
The raw egg in with the regular eggs.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy was showing them how to crack them eggs on his forehead.
So we're about to take family photos. And we're just trying to get everything set up.
Night Rider. Remember Night Rider? You said Mama wants to come out.
Yeah.
Where's one?
So nice outside today.
That would be racing cars. They're racing pink.
We can't get everybody together. We're waiting on everybody, obviously.
Got him some greenbacks.
So we're finally gonna take photos. Everyone's finally here. Oh, there.
Go find her, Ren. We'll go over there.
The cake was absolutely fire.
Cheese lover too.
Everyone's raving about how good the cake was.
And that's one I'll tolerate. It's definitely not.
Kendall is enjoying his cake.
Gas.
Or eat.
Or ride or eat, yeah. He's gonna go on Pop-Pop. He's good to go. Bye, little man. Bye, Daddy. Hey, and this is my Easter dress. My mom always buys my sister and I and my niece dresses for Easter, and this year oh my gosh, she blew this one out of the water. I know everyone's been seeing all the prairie style dresses, and this one is just perfect. This is what the back looks like, and it has a tiny little button on the back, and it's sheer, but it has an incredible slip lining underneath it. It's pretty thick material, and look at these sleeves. Oh my gosh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I have fallen in love with this dress. I knew as soon as she texted me, like she texted a picture of it from jcpenney.com talking about, do you like this? I said, oh my gosh, love. These are all my gifts that I just got today. I I got a French press. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one forever. My niece brought me some flowers and a Venus flytrap. And my mom got me this cute little organizer. A new wine glass. Got a birthday card with some money in it. My mom also got me this cute little dress. It's a polka dot dress. I have to put it on this mannequin so you can see it. And I also got a coffee mug. This is the coffee mug my sister got me. It says "Trust the Journey." So cute. And this is my French press. My sister pulled through with this. I've had it in my cart and Amazon forever, but I can't wait to try this. And this is what the dress looks like that my mom got me. Oh my gosh, like I love this detail on the hemline and the sleeves. And this designer said it was Tiana B. I've not ever heard of it, but oh my gosh, it's so cute and soft. And it just says real simple, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna rock this at work for sure. Love it. Yes, thanks Mom.